Have you ever wondered what happens when an eager yet inexperienced hedgehog sets off on a hiking adventure? Meet Henry the Hedgehog, equipped with an oversized backpack and an equally massive determination. As he ventures into the lush, winding trails, his clumsiness becomes all too apparent. Every step is a new surprise, tripping over twigs, tumbling down gentle slopes, and getting hilariously entangled in vines with every twist and turn. Our prickly friend even manages to mistake a porcupine for a fellow hiker, leading to a comedic standoff. Yet, despite the tumbles, stumbles, and giggles, Henry's spirit remains unscathed, reminding us that the joy of any journey lies in the humorous mishaps along the way.